I am so done with this! How many times do I have to tell you? I can't take it anymore!
Everybody wants success until they realize what it actually costs. People admire confidence, but avoid the years of insecurity it took to build it. They envy the money, but not the sleepless nights. They want the victory, but not the pressure, the sacrifice, the loneliness. And that's why most people stay stuck. Because everybody wants the view, but almost nobody wants to climb. Stay until the end, because this truth could completely change the way you see success forever. One of the hardest lessons life teaches is that people only celebrate the result. They rarely respect the process. Nobody sees the years you spent confused, the nights you stayed awake overthinking your future, the moments you doubted yourself, the discipline it took to keep going when absolutely nobody believed in you. People only notice you after the climb. That's why jealousy is so common, because people compare their current comfort to someone else's finished result. They see the success, but they never see the cost. Nobody is jealous of waking up exhausted at 4 a.m. Nobody is jealous of working while everyone else relaxed. Nobody is jealous of missing parties, missing sleep, missing comfort. They only envy the reward. But rewards are expensive. And most people secretly want extraordinary lives without extraordinary sacrifice. That's why discipline feels lonely. Because while everyone talks about success, very few people are willing to suffer for it consistently. The truth is, the climb changes you. Success is not only about reaching the top, it's about who you become while suffering toward it. The rejection teaches resilience. The loneliness teaches self-reliance. The failures teach humility. The pressure teaches emotional control. And the sacrifices teach you what actually matters. That's why strong people move differently, because pain matured them. People see confidence now, but they didn't see the years of insecurity that built it. People admire the calmness, but they didn't witness the chaos survived in silence. People want the life, but not the process that created it. And maybe that's why some of you feel misunderstood. Because while others are chasing comfort, you are chasing growth. While others seek entertainment, you are building discipline. While others avoid struggle, you are learning how to survive it. This is why your journey may feel isolating sometimes. Growth separates people, not because you think you're better, but because your priorities changed. The uncomfortable truth is that many people will support your dreams emotionally, but disappear when they see how much work success actually requires. Because motivation sounds exciting until sacrifice becomes real. That's why consistency is rare. Anyone can feel inspired for one day. Few people can remain committed for years. And that is where lives separate. Not just through talent alone, but through endurance. The people who keep climbing, even while exhausted, eventually reach places quitters never will. This is a tribute to the quiet workers, the unnoticed grinders, the people building something meaningful while nobody applauds yet. The people sacrificing temporary comfort for a future nobody else can see. You are not behind. You are climbing, and mountains were never meant to feel easy. But understand this clearly. The pain has purpose. Every difficult season is shaping the person capable of carrying the future you pray for. Because success without discipline destroys people. Success without maturity corrupts people. Success without suffering creates fragile people. The climb prepares you for the view. And one day, people will admire the life you built, but only you will remember how heavy the climb really was. If you're still climbing, even while tired, type "I will keep climbing" and tell us what's one sacrifice you've made that nobody truly sees. Share your story in the comments, because your experience might be featured in our next video to inspire someone ready to quit too early. Subscribe to feed your soul, where discipline becomes destiny.